All right, Tagaytay, up the mountain here in Carcar. Beb's family's property here. Gonna do a little progress report and say hi to y'all. Thanks for liking, subscribing, and commenting. For those of you few who do watch the channel, it is appreciated. Absolutely. And I'm slip sliding away there. I'm losing traction, but that's okay as long as the people that want to see it. That's good enough for me. Kind of amuses me too. Some of the comments do. Some of them help me out. But no such thing as a bad comment. Sorry for the shakiness. Yeah, we're just having a 7-Up. I am. Got the water bottle. Gonna try laying off the liquor a bit here. I just watched a thing on kidney failure, and I possess a lot of the symptoms. Excuse me. That's the chutes up there, man. They're smoking along. They got to be 5 feet now. Yeah, we're a level 1 typhoon right now. Yesterday was a little wet, but so far so good today. We didn't even bother making it here yesterday. We got the roosters all leashed up. And yeah, I don't know if they worked yesterday or not. What's it costing? 10,000 pesos. So 125 bucks for 3 guys to work for a week. Welding, cutting, grinding. That's cheap, man. That's 40 bucks. That's all they want. So they weren't full days. There was a few rain days in there. So that's why the progress is kind of slow. There's a bunch of metal they should go through. They got the chop saw afterwards and salvage what they can out of all these old roofs. The construction's just hilarious, but it works. Or sort of worked. All right, kid just went coasting down the hill there. Mexican overdrive, saving gasoline. Big loud pipe on her. All right, Benji's gonna chop something up there. Working away on the chop shop. That's good. They're recycling some old metal. Good. Fucking lungs full of phlegm. So a little breezy out here today. Not bad. Fresh air. Just stay out of line of the... It's okay to... Coming along though, looking good. That's what we're doing to it. She's hot out here, man, when the sun hits you. Super hot. Fuck. Bright lights, I'm not going to look up there. Nor am I going to try to film it and blind myself any more than I already am. So yeah, they figure, well, they're taking Sunday off. But I think Wednesday they're going to check the roof up there. I'm going to adios back to Pang Lao on Wednesday, I think. If I can catch a boat over there. And Beverly can take charge. I ran one errand today, picked up some sand screen and some nails. I guess we're going to sift out that load of sand. And I'm not really doing too much, nor can I, until my lungs clear up. Everyone's coughing up over here and spitting up phlegm, so I don't know, but maybe when you got the COPD, it's extra hard, that's for sure. Laying down's tough to breathe. Any position's tough to breathe. Sitting up or standing, you get the more air. So the pretty flowers you've all seen. I think their girls are cooking. I can smell some food coming out of the windows there. Another angle. Angle of the dangle. Somewhere down here's their goat. They got a goat. I'm not really sure where it is. I hear it sometimes. Big fat rabbit doing time in there. Big whitey. I think whitey with black ears. Right on. Well, bring it on. Gonna get sparks here, so I'm gonna run before I get burnt. They're karaokeing. That's not bad. I can tolerate that. Wait till I get up here at night. Battle of the stereos. They love the music, and so do I. Another one coming to life here. I guess they're like the leaf trees back in Canada. You chop them down and they just grow back. This one will be coming back soon. This one too. All the banana trees. Power services, wow. Bit of a bottle collection there. Chicken pecking through. It's weird they don't do nothing with the glass here. It's hard to get rid of. Somebody should start some sort of a business. I don't know if you can mix it in with the concrete or mix it in with blacktop or grind her up. Fiberglass, I don't know. It's just crazy. Some concrete. Well, we got a spare carburetor, it looks like, right there. Maybe not a carburetor, some sort of pieces. Laundry day by the looks of things. Right, Rooster? Hey. Yeah, I can't believe that. Flycatcher, man, wow. No wonder, no power. Well, I hope you're one of Jackie's friends or he's gonna chase you out of here, pooch. Maybe. I think that's one of his girlfriends. Okay. So I'm just killing time. I just bought some Wi-Fi from the corner store over there because my dad is kind of spotty up here. Yeah, the Wi-Fi in the hotel. I can't log on. I always gotta. Yeah, it's tough. Beverly does it for me. My skills are limited. So they're grinding away. They're welding away. It's all progress in the making. Yeah, I would like to get it buttoned up. Roof on, doors and windows. And then we'll worry about wiring it and getting the plumbing fixed. And moving some stuff in there. Because it could be the future new home. We're thinking anyways. Get out of Touristville. I do like some of the restaurants over there. They do have beautiful beaches over there. But other than that, you can get more here. And they don't have as many beautiful beaches where we are going to be staying. But the hotels aren't far and they're cheap. And beautiful swimming pools. So those are always options for weekends and whatnot. And Kate will be here with tons of cousins, tons of aunts, tons of uncles, nieces and nephews. And it's just a stone throw to school. Apparently you get a similar education. So that'll be good. It will. And it just has a good vibe to it. Peaceful, easy feeling. For sure. I see Killer B coming my way, smiling away. I won't show her. She's a little camera shy sometimes. And she's laughing and giggling though. That's always good. Happy wife, happy life, right? Right.
Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. How are you everyone?
Gotta like it. Gotta like it.
Hope everyone is fine.
So she's saying a shout out to you all. So hi from Killer Bee. And bye from me. Like I say, thanks. Feel free to like, subscribe, and comment. Tell your buddies about me. And yeah, we'll try to get you some better, more action-filled vids. Somebody was asking about the pawn shops. It's really not a lot to show about the pawn shops here. They're like little offices at jewelry displays. They don't have guitars and motorcycles and 4x4s and valuable items that people hawk that I've seen anyways. So if I ever do see one, I'll do a video on one for sure, because I love pawn shop shopping. Even second-hand stores, they had okai. I've shown those, but people seem to keep what they acquire. They do. But right on. Peace out. Thanks. And until next time, cheers.